Right, we are in the creative process at number 4, which is creating a customizable song using one of my favorite programs called Suno AI, and we're also going to use ChatGPT to help us with the brainstorming and lyric process. All right, this is a multi-step process, and the first step is creating a theme or a topic. So what do we want to write a song about? So we can do a love song, we can do a birthday jingle, you can do an anthem, and we're gonna write a love song about, and I'm gonna pick a random name here, and if your name is this, I apologize, this is not about you, Julia. We're just gonna use the name Julia. So let's go ahead and we're gonna go over to ChatGPT, new chat. Help me write a love song about Julia. All right, so within a few seconds, ChatGPT generates the lyrics for the love song for this fictitious person, Julia. Julia, your name's a melody, spinning circles in my mind. Every time you look at me, the whole world feels so kind. Okay, so I like this, and I want you to just note the rhyming pattern here. Suno's rhyming pattern would be a little bit more awkward. So line A, right? Julia, your name's a melody. And then every time you look at me, this is AA. And then mind and kind, that's BB. So in this pattern, it's AB, AB, which is what we want. So already, this is a winner. Your laughter is the summer breeze. All right, I'm not going to read all these lyrics. All I'm going to do is I'm going to copy these. And we're going to run over to Suno AI. So here we are. If you don't have an account, you really should create one. I believe it's $10 a month, but they give you 2,500 credits. So you can create 500 or 600 songs each month. And for the record, I've created at least 3,000 songs, and I have a YouTube channel. And so this is big for me. So we're going to come over here and we're going to click create. All right, so add lyrics. Right now we are in simple mode, and let me just show you custom. Oh. So right now it brought us to custom mode where we could add our own lyrics, our style description. There are a couple of more options we can choose, but let's go to simple. I'll show you what this is. Simple. All right, in simple mode, it's just describe your song. So I can just say, write me a love song for Julia. Write me a love song about Julia. And you can make your tracks instrumental only, but because I have lyrics, this is not going to be instrumental. So I've created a ton of instrumental tracks with piano and acoustic guitar and a mandolin with a sax solo. So that's it in the simple. Again, I'm going to add the lyrics in just a second, so bear with me. And let's create this. And within about 15 seconds, the songs will populate. And for every generation, you get 2 songs. Every time you hit this create button, you get 2. Now, what's neat about creating instrumental songs, each instrumental song is unique. The issue with the 2 generations with lyrics is the lyrics are exactly the same. So you really need to pick one or the other. So here is a song about Julia. These are not our lyrics. This is Suno. We're going to compare the two. We're going to compare Suno's lyrics to ChatGPT's.
Julia, your smile's a melody so fine. It plays on repeat in my wandering mind.
It did AABB, not what we want.
Sunlight dancing on the ocean's crest. You warm my heart and put my soul to rest.
Okay, not bad.
Your laugh's a spark.
All right, we're not gonna listen to the whole thing. So let's just hear the second one.
warm my heart, melody so fine.
See, it's the same lyrics, right?
Plays on repeat in my wandering mind.
It's not bad.
Like sunlight dancing on the ocean's crest.
Okay,
A
let's fast
gentle
forward.
breeze when passes by. Julia, your name's a song I hum alone. It's written in the stars, it's carved in stone.
It's not bad. It's not bad. But we're going to go with our ChatGPT lyrics. Again, I've already copied and I'm going to paste them right now in the custom mode. Again, just real quick in simple mode. Real simple. All you're doing is describing your song and what you want in your song. And you could add inspiration here. So let's go to custom and then we're going to enter our lyrics. All right. And if you notice, again, Julia, your smile's a melody so fine. And the second lyric was, it plays on repeat in my wandering mind. That's AA. And this is AB, which to me always sounds better. So here's description is piano, guitar, and mandolin, folk song with a sax solo. I haven't heard the sax yet, but anyway, let's go ahead and let's see what we have down here real quick. More options. Let's click on more options. Song title, Julia My Heart. We'll use that. Okay, come down here, song title. Alrighty. Workspace. Okay, let's just go ahead and let's hit create. All right, and just like that, we have our two songs. Let's go ahead and play one.
Julia, your name's a melody, spinning circles in my mind. Every time you look at me, the whole world feels so kind. Your laughter is the summer breeze, your eyes the morning sun. Every moment that you're near, I know you are the one. You light up my darkest night.
All right, here comes the chorus.
Hold me close and
I like the pre-chorus.
make it right. Julia, my heart beats for you. Every dream leads me back to you. I was lost until your love came through. Julia, I'm yours so true.
Not bad. Okay, not bad at all. Okay, number two. Has a little bit more of a country western feel. There's the mandolin. I haven't heard the sax solo yet.
Melodies get me after it. I know you like Julia, if you would do the same.
That's pretty. It's really pretty. If I had a choice, I would choose the first one. So I just proved my point that using ChatGPT in combination with Suno AI creates winning songs. Suno alone, they're okay, but the combination is much stronger when you use ChatGPT and Suno together. So that's that. So let's just go back to simple, and we're going to create another song, a funny song about a cheeseburger making jokes about salad. Again, I'm just thinking of this stuff on the spot. So, and then we're going to add instrumentation, electric. All right, we're done. Okay, this is called the cheeseburger roast. Are you ready?
I'm a stack of glory with my golden crown. Salads in the corner looking wilted down. You're just a pile of leaves trying to stay green. I'm the star of the plate, you're a side dish scene. Oh, salad, salad, why so sad? Dressing you up still looks bad. I've got the sizzle, I've got the sauce. You're just a garnish, I'm the boss. Ha, ba-da-ba-ba, ba-ba-da-ba-ba.
Okay, it's funny. It's not bad. It's let's do the second one. Cool. I like this.
I'm a stack of glory with my golden crown. Salads in the corner looking wilted down. You're just a pile of leaves trying to stay green. I'm the star of the plate. You're a
Here comes the
side
chorus.
dish scene. Oh, salad, salad, why so sad? Dressing.
Okay, let's not continue to play that one. It was funny. It was good, but that is just giving you an idea. And check it out. Look at the format. I'm not crazy about it. It's AABB. Just it's a rhyming pattern. It's crown and down, and then green and scene. It shouldn't. It just doesn't sound as good as the ABAB format. If you have more questions, just shoot me an email or a comment, and then I can explain it a little bit better for you. But that was not using ChatGPT for the lyrics. That was just using Suno AI, and it was okay, but not as good as the combination. So that is how you create customizable songs using my favorite program, Suno AI. Have fun with it, and let's keep creating, everyone.